Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on set of a recent photo shoot I had with the model Stephanie. We're on a very windy rooftop in San Francisco, but guess what? The natural light is picture perfect. Now, I will be using off-camera flash. At first, I start with the GODOX AD200, and I am hand-holding it, so therefore, I got tired. So I switch on over to the AD200, and the reason why I was hand-holding these lights is because the wind was whipping so much, I couldn't keep any of the lights from spinning around because as soon as the wind hit the softbox, it kept spinning. So with that said, I decided to just hand-hold it, and I think I got some great, amazing results. Now, I did do a live stream of this photo shoot. I'll leave a link down below for you to check out the live stream of it, but this is all of the footage that I shot using my GoPro behind the scenes, and I include all of the final images. So let me know what you think down below.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I want all this.
It's more important than ever to stand out from the rest, especially with AI and other disruptive variables out there affecting our work. With Pixpa, you get beautiful, customizable templates designed specifically for creatives, photographers, filmmakers, designers, you name it. It's not just a portfolio. You can blog, share your client galleries, and sell your physical and digital products online, all in one place. I've been personally using Pixpa to showcase my portfolio to clients, and it's made presenting my work look polished, modern, and most of all, very professional. And the best part, it's simple to use, no coding required. Just focus on creating and let Pixpa do the heavy lifting. Remember, the first impression is often the only impression that matters. Ready to level up your portfolio? Head on over to Pixpa.com and use my code ROBERT55 to get 55% off of annual plans. Don't miss out because your work deserves to shine.
Everybody, just to let you know, it is so windy up here. I'm literally holding the 8600 with the grid on the softbox, one hand, and the Z8 in the other. That's how we're doing it today. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, post them down below. He said, had that happen to me. Okay. Just like that. Don't move. Not like that. Not like that. Right there. Right there. All right. For those who are watching, smash that like button. You know what? I'm not having any issue with getting enough power from this or the 8600. I'm getting plenty of power. This is filling in the shadow for me, and I'm shooting at 1/3200th of a second, and that's keeping the background perfectly exposed. Okay, so now I'm at the right here. Yeah, yeah.